We have completed 1K subscribers. I know you can do it. I believe in you. Here are the 3 things that I did wrong. If you're here, I'm really grateful. If you're watching this, I am really grateful that you are here. Hi guys, I am Vanshika. If you don't know me, I know many of you all don't know me. So I am Vanshika Raghuvanshi and I have started this YouTube journey on 1st January 2026. And we are almost 3 months now and we have completed 1K subscribers. This is the happiest moment for me and I wanted to share it with all of you, like what are the things that I did wrong in the previous channel that I made and that you should know so that you won't make the mistake. Here are the 3 things that I did wrong before, so I'm telling you that so you won't do it wrong. And a special small surprise for me that I have got from my friend, I will show you. Okay, bye. Hello. You should create your own ideas and post it. I posted a reel which got about 7 million views. Okay, 7 billion views, and it was the original idea of mine. It was a reel of Taj Mahal. Okay, shorts. Okay, but it got 7 million views and it got me that 1K subscribers in span of 3 months, even less than 3 months if I say so. Like there has been trends going on about get ready with me or lifestyle or a day in my life, but a day in my life works in a raw form. If you are presenting what you are doing actually in your daily life, it's going to work, but if you're not showing it, it's not going to work. I have tried and tested it, that's why I'm telling you this. Another thing that I learned from content creating for these 3 months is that you should use the old audios as much as the trending audios, because when you use the old audios you get higher reach, because people tend to get tired from listening those audios, and when they listen to new music they tend to stay at your video. So trust me on that. Please try putting old videos on your anything like shorts, long form, whatever. It is a must try hack. Okay, because the trending audio work. Okay, if a new audio launches and you try to post on it, it's going to work for sure, because the viral reel which I told you about, I have posted it on a trending audio which was kind of irritating audio, but it worked, so you should try it too. So before this channel I had another channel which was Vanity of V Extras, but it didn't work out. I only had 197 subscribers on that and I deleted it just now because I was doing some things wrong and which was very necessary to correct. I knew that the channel was dead and I need to start a new channel in order to grow. And this year I took the oath that I will give my best in the content creation and let's see if it works. And it did. So what are the things that I did wrong in that channel? Number one is the niche. I was posting get ready with me's, a day in my life, hacks, cooking videos, all the reels I was posting on Instagram, I was posting it here as well, which is the wrongest thing you can ever do. Okay, do not do this. I'm telling you. If you're creating a channel, just start posting like one kind of thing. Like I started with a day in my life, then I posted some travel reels because I was traveling a lot at that time. I posted my first video on like 1st January 2026 and now it's like 27th of March and I have crossed 1K and almost 9 to 10 million of short views. So this is a very important thing, that you should know your niche. When creators used to say that before, I was like, no, I will post everything and let's see what works. But no, at first please start with a particular kind of videos you're posting every day for a month, then you can change your niche. If you have a particular like a family or community over there that is there to listen to you, otherwise please don't. Okay, so I didn't want this to be a kind of tutorial video, because I am not a tutorial channel, I'm a kind of lifestyle channel. So I just wanted to tell you my journey, that what I did and what worked for me, so that people like you and me can grow together, because I have seen my another channel go down in the drains, and trust me on that, I was so underconfident. Once I start creating videos, I was so confident, like I can speak on camera now, even though if my grammar is wrong or I'm speaking something that's not even in the dictionary, but still I am speaking in front of the camera, I am here. That is one of the best achievement that content creation has given me. Like I am posting on Instagram, I don't have that much followers right now, I have 500 followers, but The thing is that I have gained the confidence I never thought I would gain by posting content. Trust me on that. If you dream of becoming something, you will become one day. And I know that 1K is not a big deal for many people, but it is for me because I have been struggling to get that kind of subscribers. You should love your content, whatever you're creating, because that's your content. That's your hard work that you're putting in a content. And I know when you're a budding creator, I know that you continuously check your YouTube studio, like whether you have received a subscriber or not, how many views. But trust me on that, when I used to do that, I was really happy. Okay, I saw 1 subscribers, I was really happy. But when I saw like, oh my god, the 15 subscribers, I was more than happy. So just stop checking it for about 4 to 5 hours. Don't just check it like, okay, check the phone, check, took the phone, check. No. Just give it a break. You will get through it. You will, for sure. And one line that I swore by, like whenever I saw a subscriber growing or like views going up, I would be like, thank you god, I love you all. Thank you god, I love you all. I'm so grateful. I don't know, I was never this kind of person to say all these things like grateful and thank you god, but now it's just natural. If you're here, I'm really grateful. If you're watching this, I am really grateful that you are here, because I never knew that even 1,000 people would stay to watch me doing anything on my channel. But I'm really happy that you all are here, and I wish you stay. I wish you just stay. We can connect together on Instagram as well. I will link it down below. If you have any query, if you wanna just chat, if you wanna be friends, just connect over there and I will reach back to you for sure. Okay, I'm not a makeup pro, but I love doing this kind of makeup. I thought, why not just sit and do makeup and talk with you, because just talking would be a little boring for you and with me as well. So I'm a blush pugly. If you're a small content creator just like me who is struggling to get followers, subscribers, you just know it that everything will go right once at this time, because I believed it. And you need to work hard, and consistency is the key to success. When people say that you should post like 4 to 5 shots a week, don't do that. Post 7 shots a week. Don't post 2 shots a day. 1 shot a day is necessary. Even in the starting, you don't have to post long videos because nobody is going to watch it, because nobody knows you. Just build a community, reach to a certain point that okay, you have some people who are commenting on your videos, and then create the long form videos so that they will watch it, because otherwise it will just go in vain and just go to a side. When I told you it's really important to have set of good friends is what I meant by I received this 1K brownie by my best friend here, and I'm so happy. So I want to share with you all that it's really important to have one friend in your life that you can trust anything with, that is happy with your success or whatever, even if it's a small one, even if it's a small success, even if it's a small beginning or something. If they are happy as much as you are going in the right direction and you are going to go much more far. Let's cut it. I'm really grateful to have a friend like her. Thank you. One for you. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and stay here. We'll be growing together. Okay, bye.